Hey boo, it's Vlogmas 2018. Let's go. I told y'all I was a car vlogger. So this is that time of year, like every year. Of course, like everybody else, you have these resolutions and things that you want to change about your life. And so I am in the process of one of those, and typically my resolutions come with having to purchase a few things. I don't know why, I think I just like buying stuff. Anyway, one of my goals, like period, not just for the new year, and I've been actively doing it, it's a couple of them, but one of them is to, well, the major one is to change some of my habits. Not necessarily bad habits. They're not bad habits, but they're not the most efficient habits, if that makes sense. They're not as productive as they could be. So I'm in the process of trying to do that. Like one of the things, for an example, is I'm trying to change my workflow during the day. I'm trying to change how I do things, what order I do things in, and see if possibly I'll get a better result from changing the order of things. So, and typically in the morning, I get up, pull the kids together, get them to school, and then start working on stuff. I mean, we're not talking about in the morning when I do my grateful. That's another habit that I'm starting, where I'm writing down what I'm grateful for and what I plan on doing for the day, what I'm expecting from my day and all that stuff. Anyway, I get the kids off to school and then I start working, meaning checking emails, coming up with ideas, and just because I have several different hats that I wear. I have some stuff that I'm doing. I have if y'all don't know, I'm a singer and a songwriter, so I have a song coming out soon. Well, I'm going back and forth with the label to figure out what I need to be doing, what position I need to be in, what I need to, just all of this different stuff. That, in addition to Vlogmas, I'm trying to make sure I'm doing all of that. But sometimes during the day, I'll start off running full speed ahead with all of those things, and by the time I get to the part of my day where I need to go out excuse me, and go out into the world and work or do things, I'm beat up, I'm drained for whatever reason. So I think what I need to do is start, and my little head is cold. If y'all wonder why I always got a hat on, my head is cold. Like it's cold. It ain't warm outside, but my little head, it gets cold. Anyway, I digress. So start off, I'm gonna start off my day with the outside stuff, the external stuff. So get the kids to school, then run my errands at the beginning of the day, like at the top end of the day. I know everything is not open at that, when they go to school, but just do everything I can do outside of the house, post office, that kind of thing at the top end, and then do the other stuff when I get back. So that will probably put me back at my house at about 10:30, and then do all that other stuff in the middle, and then I'm kind of not done, but it'll taper off from there, because the way I'm doing it, it just doesn't seem like the most productive way to do it. So I got a bunch of stuff done just now, and I was like, I need to do this and this, and instead of me sitting there saying, well, I'll do it, I go a couple hours before it's time for me to pick up the kids, I'm like, nope, I'm just gonna get up and do it right now. Let me go right now, let me knock that out the way, do A, B, C, and D, check that off my list, then I ain't got to worry about it no more today. And so that's what I'm doing, and that's where I'm headed. So currently I'm headed to the Container Store because I want to find a shelf to go into this room. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should go follow me on Instagram. I'm kind of keeping up, kind of showing what I'm doing over there, but I'm completely revamping my whole YouTube space. My YouTube space is a slasher space, is what I call it, because it has many slashes, so it serves a bunch of different purposes. It's where I film my YouTubes. It's where I record dummy tracks for songs that I'm writing. It's where I do my Facebook live show with my husband, Marriage in Real Life. What else? What else do I do in there? It's where I do my makeup. It's where I shipped product off. It does a million different things. So it's easy for a space like that to get like real unorganized and junky. So I have my friend Tammy, and she's helping me organize everything, declutter. She's not emotionally tied to anything I got in my house, and none of them closets, nothing in my whole house. But in this YouTube room, she like, so we going through the stuff, and I'm like, oh, she like, no, what you keeping it for? Like, I was thinking maybe. She was like, girl, trash, throw it out. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, it just, I be like, what if I need, girl, you ain't gonna need it. You ain't needed it in the last 5 years. Let him go. So now I've gotten rid of a whole bunch of stuff. Now I'm just shredding a bunch of paper and all that good stuff. So that's where I am. So I'm going to go get a shelf for that room so I can put some things on the shelf. Listen, I have been all around this daggone IKEA, and I ain't got nothing but tired between this basket and these shortcuts. I feel like I'm getting nothing done.
Did you know that we have a clearance section located in our self-serve
let's see what they got on the pre-owned side. Look at this basket. Come on, IKEA. This is what happens when you don't go to your P.O. box enough. Now, I have no idea what's in these boxes. One of them I do, but the other one, I don't have a clue. Let's see. My friend just started a business where she's cooking dinners for people, putting the main course and the sides and everything, like meal prep or whatever, except it's like not overly healthy. It's not like meal prep for like if you're doing a fitness competition. It's just meal prep for families. So she just started that, so I bought one of those. So she's gonna bring dinner to my house tonight, which is awesome because I ain't got to think about it tonight. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. My husband is not wanting to eat as much red meat, so although I'm getting dinner from her, I'm gonna have to come up with something for him. So I'll probably do some type of fish or chicken. Probably fish though. Anyway, this is my life. Vlogmas 2018. See you soon. That baby is here for the fun, honey. And she here for the fresh, because she got her shades on. Bump what you heard.